Mr. Davies, seconded by Madame Boutin-Sweet, moves for leave to introduce a bill entitled An Act to Amend the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act, Appeals. This motion is deemed adopted. The honourable member for Vancouver Kingsway.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm once again honoured to rise in this House and introduce an act that would amend the Immigration Act to give a right of appeal to people who apply for permanent residence in this country and have that application denied with no substantive right of appeal. Once again, with great thanks to the honourable member from Hochelaga for her seconding this. Mr. Speaker, the principles of justice include a substantive right to appeal. And people who are seeking to obtain permanent residence in this country often have their decision decided in a very impersonal administrative manner with no real right of appeal. I support this government in their attempts to try to clean up 10 years of abuse and ignoring the immigration system in this country where thousands and thousands of cases of injustice have occurred under the Conservative watch. And I will work with this Liberal government to improve that system, to bring in a faster, fair immigration system. And one way we can do that is to make sure that people who apply for something as important as permanent residence have the right decision made, and if a wrong one is made, they have the ability to correct that. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Davies, seconded by Madame Boutin-Sweet, moves that the bill be now read a first time and be printed. This motion is deemed adopted.
First reading of this bill, première lecture de ce projet de loi.
When shall the bill be read a second time? At the next sitting of the House.